let us open up the Solid Tools and look for the shell command. Select this one, and for the thickness, I'm going to set it to maybe 2 millimeters and select the top. Press enter, and there we have a beautiful base. If I undo, go back to ghosted mode and select shell one more time, look what happens if I select the top and the bottom. Press enter. There, halo, undo. How about shell, the top and the side? Press enter, and there you have it. So now I can turn on my model, switch to that layer, and say goodbye to my box. And all I'm going to do, and by the way, this is what we have. Very nice, simple. We're gonna shell this one to maybe 1.5, enter, and select the top. And there we have our beautiful base, ready to be printed.